My name is Christopher Edwards and I develop custom websites for clients. Normally, when I meet with clients, they often fall into three categories. The first category is just someone that wants a website which is not highly functional, and they don't intend to be going in there a lot. And for those type of sites without a lot of functionality and without the client wanting to go in there a lot to do any sort of editing, Elementor is more than enough for that. And so for that type of site, I usually use the Hello Elementor theme, which is very lightweight and it still allows me to do a lot of custom work on it. I do try to stick to the free version of Elementor because I don't want to add extra costs on top of what the client is going to be paying and still get a site that looks really good, feels really clean, that they're happy about. On the flip side, I have clients who they just want something fully custom. They have a lot of functionality and they want it to be fully scalable, meaning the business is going to grow and go into some different directions. And when that happens, there is a need to add additional functionality or different things in the back end to achieve certain things that the client wants. For sites like those are built from the ground up using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, whatever. And in that instance, a custom theme is created, and this theme will set the foundation, and I'll be able to add pretty much anything I can think of on top of this, even though it is in WordPress, right? I also develop custom plugins for sites like these as well. So this is a custom consultation automation plugin, which I can add various functions into to allow the consultation process to become very robust for this particular site. So we have the full custom client and we also have the client who still wants something custom design wise, but they're not looking to have any big functionality attached to this. Then the third type of client I encounter is the one that wants something fully custom, but also want to be able to go in and edit certain things. So they want to be able to change things in the hero section, something here, something here. But the site should still be functional. It should still be able to hold up to whatever direction the business is going in and be scalable. Don't get me wrong, this site can also scale and it can also have functionality. However, it means that I would have to go ahead and purchase additional plugins, maybe upgrade to Elementor Pro. It's not as easy as just thinking about what you want to do and then writing the code to do it. So what we'll be looking at is exactly the third type of client. How do I take a custom client like this and allow them to be able to freely edit certain parts of the website? That is where full site editing comes into play. So we'll be talking about that in the very next video. I'll see you then.